Hey, thanks for watching Dee Croy with My Favorite Groomer on YouTube. So Princess is back in, and I literally said, are we not brushing every day? And they're like, no, we're not really brushing every day. So I said, we need to brush every day with this dog. And today was a brush out only. She did say she wanted to turn it into a bath package, so we're doing that. Kind of flips us up on time because I only allotted them for a brush out. So now we got to speed up the process a little bit. So I'm going to try to just get to the point. She's kind of hyper, but she needs to be brushed every day. She's a Poodle Maltese mix, and I'm not joking. She needs to be brushed every day, especially the way she came in last time, jumping, flipping upside down and stuff like that. It's not cool, man. So I'm going to do the comb so you guys can see if the coat's looking okay, and then I'm going to brush her out, and then we're going to go to the bath. And I don't know that we'll do bath because when you are running by the second, because the next client comes in 30 minutes, if we run out of time, it kind of throws the whole day off. So that's sometimes why we don't do the bath. That's all the time why. We're so busy. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we can get her to have a more of a calm demeanor. Thanks, Teresa. Bye. Love you guys. I squeezed in a nail trim as well right before her. So, I mean, you just do what you can for your clients. You have to go out of your way sometimes.
Dee, it would really help if I had my keys.
Oh, yeah. Yes, it would. David, can you help her get her keys here? Okay. Thank you. Thanks, Teresa. Okay. So we're going to check with the comb first. Right? We need some help, man. See, right there. So simple. If it's going to pull at all and you go to a bath, she's not going to like that. She doesn't like it. She needs to be brushed every day. Not because she has short hair, but because of everything. The attitude, the jumping, yeah, I can't. Sometimes I just can't. I don't even know what to say, man. So we're going to start off, we're doing a tiny bit of leave-in conditioner, just a tiny bit, because it doesn't brush really well wet, but it has to have something in the coat here. It's just, I'm really sorry, it's kind of frustrating, you know. It's a little frustrating, because we all saw what she was doing last time. Yeah. She just doesn't like it. So if you're not doing it regularly, she's never going to get used to it. And it's funny that a groomer can look and see, no, you did not brush, you haven't brushed in a couple days or a few days or 5 days. We just know. You don't have to, I don't need to ask. I just ask to kind of bring it to their attention, or the parents' attention. Sometimes you guys think a groomer's helper is going to help. The groomer's helper just does this to the dog. It locks their head right to this position. I personally don't think it's always going to work. So let me just show you if it works here. A spinner. It may or may not affect the dog. I still think she's going to want to move. But this is just a simple groom lead. If you need one, let me know. They're super cheap. And it's the only kind of lead you really need. You don't need a bunch of leads or leashes. So you need to be able to go through this cut. And we are definitely going to do a little bit of hair cutting today, because if they do this next time, then the hair is going to even be longer. So I'm going to try to keep this haircut just the way it is, like right, just a tiny bit off. Remember her front paws? She fought them the whole time last time. They need to be brushed every day. No. She does want to bite me. No. So the dangers of using this is that if she goes too hard, she'll actually flip the whole table. So you have to really be watching what the heck is going on. So if this were my dog, I would personally, this dog would get running. I would run her every day for at least 15 minutes. We would go on a run. She has energy pent up, like just, like you need to go get a workout in because you're stressed or you're pissed off or you're having a bad day. You go work out, you feel a lot better. She needs that every day. I don't know what it is, but she needs it every day. No, don't bite me. This is a bad situation for me here. I don't want to be on that side of it. I'm so glad her head's not matted and stuff like that, though. Man. I just watched her video last night to recap, and I just happened to have some views on there. Some comments that I went and looked at and commented on or whatnot, and I was just like, man, she is a wild maniac. This is not your favorite thing, sweetie, but I am going to brush this other leg without any issues with you. No, I'm gonna brush. I'm gonna brush. I'm brushing. You're going to let me brush. You're gonna let me brush. You're going to let me brush. Yes, you are. We are going to brush. I'm not asking. This is why it's key. It's not even that, the hair. It's half the hair, but the rest is the fact that she needs to have the time to get used to what we need to do here. Because I can't fix her in 20, 30 minutes. Stop. Stop. Whenever you get done, girl. No. Okay, I'm going to try it without the cone head and see if I can get in there without her biting me. Very frustrating. Because we gave Mom and Dad homework, and it's not happening at the home front. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. Give me your paw. Paw. Give me your paw. Good. Good. I know that look you're giving me. I know it. Easy. Easy. It's just brushing. Can you imagine it was matted? So frustrating. And I'm not complaining. I'm sharing with you what it is I'm going through. What it is we're feeling here. So if you guys think I'm complaining, that's beyond it. But there's other things that need to happen that you, the groomer, and you know it. Even if you're a groomer and you're hating on me, you know you can't fix this in your salon. There's no way. Unless you want to take maybe hours to groom this dog, which is what maybe even started the whole problem to begin with. Someone took 3 to 5 hours to groom this dog, and it's become so frustrated with everything now that someone like me has to come in and go in 30 minutes, in and out. No, you're good. You're good. I need you to stand up. How about that? How do you like that one, huh? How do you like that, baby? Maybe that'll help you. Real nice and easy here. It's all matted in there again. I'm very real with the clients too, man. Very real about it. Okay, go this way. One of the ladies who ordered I think a table arm, I know you know who I'm talking about, from me. She's the one that said, hey Dee Dee, loop this around. She's like, just try that out, and it is helping. It really is. It's a really simple procedure. These run $1 something. So if you want one, let me know. They're not on the website right now. But just a simple, I don't need the groomer's helper, not yet. Although if you guys have it, good for you. I just have not gotten to the point where I need that or have gotten it or ordered it or anything like that. So because of the situation, I'm going to go ahead and do like kind of a haircut here. I'm going to do the 2. And I'm going to take off a little bit more. If we were brushing and we were on track, I would not really take any hair off. But we're not. We're not really brushing to where I want to see us at. So I'm going to take a 4 off. And this is, she's not asking for a haircut today, but if you're not going to brush, we are going to make it easier for all of us by keeping the hair at a certain length. And I know, I'm not really asking, but you can hardly see how much hair I'm going to take off, right? It's not like I buzzed her a summer cut or anything like that. So that's key. She came in for a brush out and a bath. And I'm going to do this so the next time she comes in, I'm not, hopefully not in a matted situation. As I said on the camera last time, this cannot come in matted again. This hair is, if it comes, I'll be so, I'll literally be angry. Because I do a video, I don't do a video for YouTube, I do a video for the pet client and I share that with YouTube. I do the video so the client can see what in the heck happened and why. And that's where it all started. She doesn't like her feet done and stuff, but man. I'm going to try and trick her here. Go back and forth fast. Scoop down fast. This is a 5 bar. Yeah. Yeah, right. Yeah, you don't like that. Okay, great. I'm glad you don't like that. Great. Focus on something else. No. Really? You're going to try to do spin circles, tornado circles? So key is get in and out, in and out. When you have a wild animal like this, you don't want to draw out the process. Her patience level is already worn thin. It's so hot right now. See what happens here. Let me see. Let me see. Will you get this to me? There you go. Let me see. She's pulling. She just got her hold tight there. I'm gonna turn the air on because I'm freaking burning up. Let me see. Stay. Stay. Let me see. Don't get mad at me. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. No, no. Don't get mad. Don't get mad, no, no. The jerking, pulling, all that is really hard on the groomer. Doing some home training would really help. Working on the dog at home will help the situation for the dog at the groomer. Like she's pulling, 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 pulling. You're just fighting her the whole time. You're trying to do a nice little trim on the pads. Okay, there we go. Woo! If we had some work being done at home, we would be in a different situation, but unfortunately we didn't. Not enough. It wasn't enough. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Let me see, sweetie. Let me see, sweetie. You need to calm down. You're good. And princess. 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 Not a lot to take off on that dew claw. Here we go. Here we go. You're good. You are good. Okay. 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 Let me see this one. Let me see. Let me see. No, come on. Stop fighting, man. Stop fighting. Please, stop fighting. Stop fighting. Yeah. Okay. Now let's see how she's going to do with her face. I go with, I don't want to do this. I think we got this ear pretty good last time. You remember? I could trim this one, not the other one. I think the other one I was like, forget it.
It was infected, no?
I can't remember if it was infected. I don't remember that part of it. No, it wasn't. It was just, she was moving and being really wild. See, the tough part is over, girl. Mm-hmm. So some of you, I told you, hey, make a list of all the tools we use, right? And see if that's something you want to get. And this is a great video to do that. We use a lot of the tools. See how she's totally looking away on purpose. Let me see. Let me see here. Hang on, let me see. Let me see. We'll clean out the eye boogers in the bath, okay? How about that? Yeah. Let me see here. Yeah, let me see all this stuff in here. Let me see. Let me see. I see. I see. Yes, I see you. Okay. We got some eye boogers. Yes, we do. Is that good enough? Mm-hmm. We got to clean the eye boogers in the bathtub. If I'm not doing everything else, she's good, isn't she? If I'm not messing with certain areas, she seems to be calmed down. No, no. Stop, put your foot down. Good. Good. I'm glad you didn't bite me there. Yeah, girl. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah. Yeah, you happy now? Let me do a sanitary. Let me do a sanitary. Let me see. All right, let's take this off. Who did that, man? Who did this? Who put that on there and why? Why did they put that on there? Maybe because you jump everywhere and you're frightening? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Can you sweep your table here? Go stand up for me. Thank you. I'm doing this on purpose. I'm giving us a couple minutes of time, just kind of not grooming, but we're on the table together. So I'm purposely taking a minute here. Yeah. We're done? We're done with that stuff? The hard stuff? Hi, come here. Come here. Come here. See? Yeah, we're going to get through it. Yeah. A few more, maybe 6 more grooms and we'll be better off. 6 more grooms? 6 more grooms and we'll be better off? Yeah? Did you want to kiss me? She speaks Spanish, so she's okay with the energy, but you want to kiss me? Besos? Besos? Give me besos. Besos? She's like, that's a mask. I don't want to kiss a mask. Oh my goodness, you're so frustrating sometimes. You're wild. It makes it dangerous. You make it a dangerous groom, girl. You speak in Spanish for her and tell her she makes it dangerous. David speaks Spanish and he's not helping me. You make it dangerous. Jumping up and down and say, look at me, here. Princess, look at, yes, you have to focus. I know you don't want to, but you have to. Okay, you have to focus, yes, look at me. Princess, look here. You know he's Spanish? You know he speaks Spanish? Is that why you're looking at him? He doesn't want to talk to you in Spanish. No, he's not going to talk to you in Spanish. I guess I better get my Spanish book out, huh? Besos. Do you know what besos means?
Besos.
Or you're going to correct me, but he's not going to speak it. Yeah, besos. Besos? You're not even watching me anymore. You ready to go to the bath?
She's ready.
Hey, don't forget to breathe. All right, so thanks for watching. I did that last bit all quiet, and it doesn't matter if I'm yelling quiet and loud. It doesn't matter. It matters what that dog is going through, how that dog came in, what it was going through when it walked in the door. So in the last video, they were like, "Gee, you're talking too loud." No, it does. She just has high anxiety if I didn't say anything. So I know you're watching, and I know I was holding my breath when I was watching the recap on the last video. So I know you guys were out there not breathing. So make sure you breathe. And thanks for watching. They're going to get the lowdown, and they're going to be told they need to come in monthly for now, a full groom, instead of just the brushing that I was trying to help them do, because this is not going to work that way. We need to get on track at home, and then we can be on track here with lower cost, lower maintenance monthly, right? So now, because they didn't come in like really good brush techniques going on and working with the animal at home, not jumping and flipping, and I don't cause this dog to jump and flip. It does it on its own. It's fighting back, not wanting me to brush. Brushing on a dog is essential. You must be able to brush, to groom, to do nails, to do ears, to do, it starts with obedience and brushing, like just the consistency of brushing. So we have some homework to still do, and I will be letting the pet parents know. I'm not very happy camper right now, but I'm not going to judge it. I'm just going to say, if you can't do the brushing and get this dog more under control, I may not be the right one to help you, because this is a very young dog. We should be able to get through the groom without all this whatever's going, jumping and all this stuff. Something we can't fix here in about 45 minutes to an hour. So we can't fix that here. So thanks for watching Dee Dee Crow with My Favorite Groomer. All the tools can be found down below. A lot of you have written emails, and I know the ones that get it, okay, when you have a business and you're learning, all this is free to you. The only thing you pay for is when you watch ads, your time. We get a kickback on when you watch the ads thoroughly, and then we get a kickback when you buy supplies. We don't get 100% of the supply cost. Shoot, for PayPal, we lose $5 to $7 each order right off the bat, just to have you guys order from us. So we are not millionaires over here, if that's what you're thinking. And if you think it's all about money, it isn't. It's about business. It's about sharing. I'm going to train you. You can watch my videos all day long, repeat over and over and over. And what we get back is just we have to profit a few dollars. I mean, look at Amazon, look at Walmart. They're millionaires. We have to profit to be successful, to pay our own bills. There's so much behind a business that many of you may not know, and many of you get it. And those of you that understand why I do what I do, it's not because of YouTube, it's because of the owner, the pet owner, and I'm sharing it on YouTube. But really, why not get a kickback for all the time I spend slowing my process down to talk to you guys? That kickback is you supporting me. That's how it comes. And you can't, I don't know how. I would support anyone I was learning from. If I was watching a book writing ceremony or book writing how-to, I would definitely support that business. So those of you who support me, whoa, I cannot say thank you enough. Ordering snacks, ordering a brush, ordering all that helps us be successful at what we do. It makes me, this is how it makes me feel. It makes me feel like, man, it was worth doing that video yesterday. The struggle, the up and down, teaching you guys how to react to the animal, how to hold the animal, and then even just entertainment, because some of you don't even have a dog, and I love you guys for all that. So that's the lowdown. I mean, there's a lot behind a business you don't see. Right? Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all. I love you deeply. I adore you. And the time you give me, and the commenters that comment daily, I just applaud you. And there's so many of you I've connected with. I mean, thousands, not just a few, thousands of people. More than 10, at least 10 emails a day going out to questions, buying products, just helping you and your animal, not always getting even something back from it. So if you know me, if you've been watching my channel for over 5 years now, you know Dee Dee, then you know what's behind everything. So thank you for supporting me. I appreciate y'all more than you know. Thank you.